Hello viewers, in this video you are going to learn how to construct different type of angles with the help of compass. First we will learn how to construct 30-degree angle, and for that you have to take a line segment of your choice. Like I am taking a line segment, I am giving name of this line segment AB. So two endpoints of this line segment A and B. Now what you have to do, take the compass and this sharp tip of this compass you have to keep on this point A and take the width of the compass as much you want. Like I am taking this much, so I will keep this tip on the point A and draw a arc of this much width like this. After this step, this arc will intersect the line segment AB at some point, so I can say that this is point C. Now take the compass and the sharp tip of the compass you have to keep on this point, C point, and draw one more arc like this. So this arc you have to join this intersection point of this small arc and the earlier big one. You have to join this with a line from A point. So this is your 60-degree angle. This is 60-degree angle. Now if we will draw one more arc from this point, let us say this is point D, this point is D, again with the same width, I will keep this compass on D point and draw one more arc. Now we will join this again with the line. So this is, suppose this point is E and this angle is 120 degree. One arc with 60 degree, then again with the second arc 60 plus 60 120, and if I will draw one more arc of the same width of this compass like this, I will put the compass on the E point and cut one more arc. So this is 180 degree. I will join this. Let us say this is F point. This angle is 180 degree. So it's very easy to draw 60 degree, 120 and 180. Now we will learn how to bisect an angle. Suppose I want to bisect this angle 60 degree. So I will keep this rounder of some width. You can take of the same width like from C to D, or you can take more than that. It's your choice. So like I am taking this much, one arc from this point C and with the same width. Don't change the width of the compass. Now I will put the compass on the D point and I will draw one more arc. Now I will join this line. So this line bisects the angle 60 degree, and if I will divide the 60 degree angle in equal parts, it will become 30 degree. So this angle from here to there, this is 30 degree angle and this is 60 degree. Now we will bisect this angle from 60 to 120 degree. Again with the same method, I will keep the compass on point D, draw a arc, and with the same width of that compass, I will put the compass on the point E and draw one more arc like this. Now I will join it with the help of a scale, and this angle is 90 degree. This angle is 90 degree. Now I will bisect this angle 120 and 180 with the same method. I will take the compass on the F point, draw a arc, then on the E point and draw one more arc. Then I will join. So this angle is 150 degree. So with the help of this method you can bisect any angle. Like if I want to bisect this 30 degree angle, so again the same method we have to follow. I will put again on the C point and draw a arc, then on the other end of this angle, and with the same width of the compass again I have to draw one more arc. Then we will join this intersection point. Now this line denotes 15 degree angle. So with the help of the same method we can draw any angle. Like we learned 50 degree angle, then 30 degree angle, and you can draw 45 degree angle also. So 45 means this is from up to here, this is 90 degree. If I will do the half of this 90 degree, then it will become 45. So like this, with the any width I draw one arc from the C point, and the other end of this angle, this is the 90 degree line, I will draw with the same width one more arc like this. Then we will join this line again, then it will become 45 degree. So with the help of this method we can draw different type of angles: 15, 30 degree, 45, 60, 90, 120, 150, 180 degree, and many more angles. I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.